welcome to SK Legal Vlogs. Hope all are doing well. So our today's concept is best answer writing tips for law exams. So friends, there are some simple and natural methods to develop a good answer writing technique in law exams. You do not need any external source for it. It can be achieved only by your dedication and working in the right direction. So in this vlog, I am going to share with you certain few points by help of which you can easily clear law exams. So first point is more reading. The first and foremost method is to read more. The more you read, the more you get acquainted with the right words and vocabulary. So when you read, you grasp and memorize so many words with their usage in a sentence, and when you know more words, you can write your thoughts very quickly in your examination when you are in the exam hall. Second is practice writing daily. If you are preparing for any examination, remember one thing: the more you practice with your weakness, the more chances you will win. Daily writing practice enhances your writing speed, and when we write, we can analyze our mistakes, and this is the area that is to be improved. Third is topic clarity. For writing a good and impressive answer, it is very crucial to know about the topic. If a person has understood the topic well, his answer can be the best among the rest. Having all the details of the topic gives you a clear vision to produce thoughts and write them on paper. Therefore, more than mugging up the material, try to understand it before writing any question. Fourth is fewer mistakes. When you write an answer, try not to make many mistakes. So many mistakes on a page give the examiner an impression that the candidate is confused and does not have in-depth knowledge of the topic. Therefore, it is very essential to keep a grip in making mistakes and writing fluently. Next point is previous year papers. When you appear for an exam, the best thing is to do before it that, be it a college exam or any competitive exam, it is vital to go through your concerned examinations previous year question papers. Looking at past year papers, you get the idea of the question papers as to how to attempt it, and that comes in the exam, and get a clue of essential topics that can be asked. Try to know about as many topics of writing you can practice in a reasonable time. Having a list of important questions in hand gives you the confidence to write well in the exam. Sixth point is read the mind of the examiner. Before attempting any question in exam time, try to read the questions 2 to 3 times. All you need to do is to read the examiner's mind as to what he actually desires from the question to ask or to obtain from a particular question. Sometimes you read a question in such a hurry that you miss out on the real intent of the examiner asking that question. Therefore, it is very necessary to read questions properly and then answer them accordingly. Seventh point is avoid fancy words. Yeah, this is a very important point while writing an answer in the exam, because this is a very law exam or judicial exam. This is not our school's exam that in the very beginning we start writing this and that. So try to use simple words and sentences. It is advised not to use big fancy words to impress the examiner. When you write simple, easy and straightforward sentence, it is easy for an examiner to understand your views. So overly decorated words sometimes miss the connection of the topic with the answer, and as a result of which the examiners gives average marks even if the answer was correct. So our next point is quick response in less time. So it often happens with the students that when they are nearer to the exams time left, they have an important questions left to be attempted. In such a situation, the candidate finds himself in panic and he loses confidence in it completing on time. In such a scenario, one must follow the quick response strategy. It has helped many students across the world. While you need to do is in the limited time, you have to understand the question and its areas. Try to build your answer by using flowcharts, keywords, and summarize your answer in points. This will help to examiner to understand as to what a student going to write. Instead of giving an incomplete answer to the examiner, you may opt to give him a blueprint of your answer. So ninth point is stick to the point. While writing an answer, always remember that you need to be precise and stick to the concerned point. Stating stories around to irritate the examiner and ruins his time. If you know limited material for a particular answer, try to write it in points and then summarize it beautifully. Don't repeat your points. Next, 10th point is stick to the time limit. Be cautious with the time limit while attempting written paper. A single question cannot take more than is actually required. So if you do not manage your time, it can create problems, and completing all questions within the time frame is the biggest challenge in the written exam. There might be some question in which you are not very confident, and if you complete your other questions on time, there is a better option available to you that you can revise your questions which has already been written. And if you complete your other questions on time before the time limit, you may give extra time to those questions in which you are doubtful or you are not confident. So time management is necessary for an effective written examination, and these were the few important tips which must follow for every student who is going for the law exams or who is thinking to prepare or appearing for the judicial examination, as the case may be. So this is the complete concept on this vlog, and for such kind of future videos, please subscribe my channel if you have not done so, and go to the playlist of judiciary preparation where all the judiciary related videos have been made available for your information and videos. Share with others so that everyone will get knowledge of law in a very easily manner. And for any kind of specific video, you can mention in the comment box. I will provide the same